are here on Real Estate in the Lowcountry. Joining me now is Beth Drake. She is, of course, with Keller Williams. Always good to see you, Beth.
It's great to be here.
Yeah, so you just told me the market report just came out.
Yeah, we just got the market report out, and so we're halfway through the year now, just about.
Which is insane.
Yeah.
So fast.
And I was looking at all the lines of how much price increases have happened, and since 2019, that zip code 29928 has doubled. The median price is now $2 million.
That is just crazy.
Yeah. And then in 29926, the median price is about $980.
Wow.
So we've really seen the price increases, and however, the market is starting to flatten out.
Okay.
We've got more homes. We still have a lack of inventory. There's only a 2-month supply, but this time last year we had about a 2-week supply. So it's
so relatively
it's
speaking,
really, yeah. So it's still a seller's market as long as they price it right.
Okay.
And I was talking online, people are seeing price decreases in our area, but that's only because people have overpriced their properties.
So they got really excited when they saw
excited,
some of
their neighbors going up, and then you can also see, and that probably has to do with the mortgage rates, that houses are sitting on the market a little bit longer, especially in the 1.5 and over.
Okay.
So that's slowing down.
Yeah. Well, all good information. Yeah. But you do have a couple of houses that you want to tell us about today.
I do. For people this says 10 Dove Street, which is in North Forest Beach, and you can see from the photos, it's just a short walk to Coligny where all the shops are and everything else, and it's a direct shot to the beach. It's about 7th row, and it's a short street to walk down. So this house has a pool. It's got underneath garage parking enough for 4 to 6 cars.
Wow.
You can see that it's light and bright inside. It's 2-story great room with vaulted ceilings. It's on the short-term rental market. They recently put a lot of new furniture in there and painted it, so it's just recently been painted. It's ready to go. The roof is fairly new. It's priced under $2.5 million, which for Forest Beach is pretty good.
Well, and I was just going to say that's got to be a rental market that is a really strong one.
It's a very strong one. People can fly down and they don't even have to leave. They don't have to drive anywhere. You've got the grocery stores and the shops, restaurants, and the beach is right there.
Yeah,
so
perfect location.
And it's already on short-term rental market. I think it's got about 150K this year. So it's a perfect place for somebody that wants a beach house and
a rental property.
and the rental too.
Yeah. Best of both worlds.
Yeah, best of both, right.
Right, and then you have another one that's in Hilton Head Plantation.
I do. Hilton Head Plantation is the second largest community on Hilton Head Island with over 4,000 homes in there. It's got lots of amenities. It has a marina, a clubhouse, 3 golf courses, restaurants. So it's very popular especially for someone that wants a second home or a primary home and doesn't want to have short-term rentals near them.
And it's right near the schools.
It's right
so
near.
it's great for families, and they've just redone the Dolphin Head Beach.
They are. They're redoing all that. It's got a lazy river pool.
Yeah.
It's just a really nice community. And this house is for Hilton Head. It's fairly new. It was built in 2012 by H2 Builders. You can see that it's a beautiful lot on Elliott Point, which Elliott Point is real close to the big sound and the marshes. So you've got a large back porch. You can see that's screened in, and you can feel the marsh breezes there. You know, so it's a dead-end street, cul-de-sac street, so you don't have a lot of through traffic.
Perfect. A
huge 3-car garage, which is very seldom on Hilton Head that you see.
Both of your houses today have huge garages, which you don't really see that.
You don't see that much. Yeah. It's got 3 bedrooms, a sunroom. You can see that it's got moldings and details, hardwood floors. There's also a study office near the front. This one, the people custom built it, as I said, so it's just one owner. So it's ready to go.
Yeah. And I'm sure been taken care of lovingly. So that's great.
So we've got a lot of buyers still. We really do. My team's ready to help anybody. We actually have helped over 700 people in the last 10 years. So, we've got the experience to try to find you a home in this difficult market.
Absolutely. And of course, you give a free market analysis if somebody's thinking about putting it on the market.
Yes, I do. So,
yeah, excellent. Well, Beth, thank you for being here and sharing your properties with us and a little bit on the market. That was very interesting. Thanks so much.
All right, thanks. Bye-bye.